Hello student, welcome to Math and Science Clinic. Today we will study about the air and the properties of the air. So let's begin. Air is none other than the mixture of gases. It is the invisible form of energy. We can't able to see the presence of air. We can only able to feel the presence of air because air is colorless and odorless. The moving air is called wind. The air when move is called wind. It is because of the wind we are able to feel the presence of air. The hot air balloon shown in the figure is move in the sky because of the wind. Here are some other examples, such as the flag flown in the sky is because of the air only, and the kite flying in the sky is also because of the wind. If when the pages of the book open automatically, it is because of the wind energy that make it possible. What are the different properties of air? Air is a mixture of gases. Air constitutes different gases that mix together to form air. So what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the blanket of air that covers the earth is called atmosphere. It is because of the gravity power of the earth that pull the atmosphere towards itself. It is because of the atmosphere life is possible on the earth. If there are no atmosphere, we can't sustain on the earth because it has a life sustaining gas, that is the oxygen gas, which help us in the respiration process. The moving air is called wind. The moving air is called wind. As the sunlight fall on the earth, the gas, different air present in the gas get heated, and the heated air get lighter, and the lighter air move off, and the place of this gas is taken by other gases. In this way, air is moved from place to place. In this way, the moving air is called wind. The movement of air is called wind. It is because of the wind we are able to do certain activities, such as the windmill present in the coastal area. The windmill, we can able to do certain activities, such as we can generate electricity from this windmill. There are certain boats which are moving in the water because of with the wind power only. So different composition of the air. So different composition of air is nitrogen is the highest percent of the gas that present in the atmosphere. That is the 78% of air is covered with nitrogen. Next come oxygen, that is 20.9%, which is nearly equal to 21% of the earth atmosphere. Next come argon, which is 0.90%. Next carbon dioxide, which is 0.03%, and some other gases, which is about 0.17%. First, study about the nitrogen. So nitrogen is composed of 78% of the earth atmosphere. It is help in the production of the protein in the plant. So plant takes nitrogen in the manufacturing of protein in their bodies. So nitrogen present in the atmosphere can't be taken directly by the plant. So this nitrogen, when there is lightning or rain, this nitrogen with the rainwater come into the soil. In soil there are some bacteria which convert this nitrogen into NO2 or NO3, which are dissolved in the water, and plant with their root along with the water takes this nitrogen and help in the production of the protein. This protein is taken by the plant, both plant and animal, and help in the production and the growth and development of their bodies. So when we eat the plant or plant fat, we get this protein from the plant. nitrogen gas is also used in the preservation of the food items. So different processed foods such as the chips, potato chips, the packet of the potato chips are filled with the nitrogen gas, because the nitrogen gas present in the chips packet help it to become fresh for long days. Next come oxygen. Oxygen is about 21% of the Earth atmosphere. It is the only gas which helps us to sustain on the Earth, because it helps in the breathing, and it is utilized in the respiration process, in which the energy is liberated from our body. Both plant and animal takes oxygen in the process of respiration, but plant only give out oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. So this is the figure shown the oxygen cycles. The atmospheric oxygen is taken by the plant and animal both in the process of respiration. As a result, it gives carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is then taken by the plant in the process of photosynthesis and give out oxygen. In this way, oxygen is moved in the atmosphere. So oxygen gas is used in the oxygen cylinder, which can be used by the patient who are not able to take oxygen directly because of the problem in their lungs. The mountaineer and the deep sea diver are also takes oxygen cylinder, because they are not able to take oxygen directly under the sea or in the high mountain. Certain aquatic animals such as fish take oxygen from the water, because they have specially designed organ called gills, in which oxygen can be taken from the water, because water is composed of H2O, that is hydrogen oxide. From this hydrogen oxide they take oxygen in the process of respiration. As on the other hand, animals such as human take oxygen directly from the atmosphere and give out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is present in very less quantity in the atmosphere, that is 0.03% of the Earth atmosphere is composed of carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is good for us, but due to the certain human activities such as deforestation, that is cutting down of the large amount of the trees, various industrialization which produce smoke and carbon dioxide, and the urbanization which creates the more and more carbon dioxide. As a result, the carbon dioxide is increases in the atmosphere. This carbon dioxide increases the Earth atmosphere temperature. As a result, the term is called global warming, that is the average Earth atmospheric temperature increases day by day. So carbon dioxide are used in the fire extinguisher. As the carbon dioxide do not support oxygen, it helps in bringing the fire to, it helps in control the fire. When there is any fire accident, the fire extinguisher use the carbon dioxide to get it into normal condition. So the carbon dioxide are also used in the different beverages such as the cold drinks, that is the carbonated drinks. So CO2 is used in the production of this type of drinks. Water vapor composed of nearly equal to 1% of the Earth atmosphere. So these are help in the water cycle. As the surface water such as the sea and ocean water get heated by the sunlight, it get evaporated and converted into water vapor. This water vapor goes to the sky, and these small tiny water vapors are from cloud. So after some day, when there is a huge amount of cloud, these clouds come back to the earth in the form of rain and snow. Water cycle continues. So water vapor is very essential, important for the water cycle. Dust is naturally present in very less quantity in the atmosphere, but due to certain human activity such as the industrial pollution and the vehicular pollution, the dust and smoke are increases in the atmosphere in a very rapid rate. As a result, it creates air pollution as a result we got some certain diseases such as the lungs diseases such as asthma and bronchitis. What are the different functions of air? Air is composed of oxygen and carbon dioxide and nitrogen and different other gases. So air support combustion with the help of air, that is the oxygen of air help us burning. So oxygen help us in breathing. Due to the oxygen we are able to breathe and able to do respiration. So the carbon dioxide of the air help us in the food production, in the process of photosynthesis. Plant produce their own food. It is because of the atmosphere, the layer of the atmosphere, that is the ozone layer, which help us from getting escape from the bad rays of the sun, that is the ultraviolet ray. So if there were no ozone layer, we got certain diseases like the skin cancer and the eye diseases because of the ultraviolet ray. Atmosphere also help us. Nitrogen of the atmosphere helps in making the protein of the food by the plants. So these are the different functions of the air. So this is how the air is replenished in the atmosphere. So oxygen from the atmosphere is taken by the animals and the plant in the process of respiration, in which they give carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is then taken by the plant in the process of photosynthesis and gives oxygen, and this oxygen is again taken by the different animals. In this process the cycle continue, and this is called different gas cycles. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and keep learning and stay blessed. Thank you.